Lumière. Prompts are everywhere today, and that's good news, because we need to change the way we are designing and engineering products. The other good news is that CATIA can help you to do that. Instead of typing in some script in particular languages, you have the same capability in 3D with some boxes which do correspond to 3D command. This is visual scripting, which helps you to automate tedious tasks, to make super nice algorithm for complex design sequences. But watch out, if you use visual scripting, you will never stop using it. It's super addictive. It's not difficult. Visual scripting is super easy to use, super fast to learn. We are using AI to speed up the use of visual scripting. For example, if you create a command point, AI will propose to you, maybe you want to make a line from this point. Okay? There is a nice community of people sharing experiences, sharing design sequences, sharing incentives. It's easy to learn. You are very quickly efficient by using it and produce in a couple of hours your first design sequence of automation using algorithm thanks to visual scripting. Because the content of what you can do with visual scripting is depending on the CATIA application that you have. The configuration of 3D experience criteria that you have will automatically be usable through visual scripting. And the answer is, of course, yes. Visual scripting is something that you can use to design any type of shape, use any type of colors, play with the color, create very complex algorithms. I'll give you an example. If you are doing watches, for example, super expensive and premium watches, you can imagine that you will put some diamonds with different colors on the watch, and you can play with visual scripting to find out what is the best position, what is the best color, what is the optimal, let's say, ordering of those diamonds on the watches. Again, visual scripting can be used for designing almost anything.
Wait, Daniel, there are more questions.
That's a good news. Let's do another episode on visual scripting.